Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make upma. So all you need is some ginger, hing, some urad dal, chopped onion, one cup of rava, salt, curry leaves, mustard seeds, lemon juice, coriander and sugar. Alright, so you turn on the gas, add a little bit of oil or ghee, whatever you prefer. Maybe like one tablespoon of oil or 1 tablespoon of ghee, and let it heat. So this is a very basic upma that I'm making. You can also add vegetables or whatever you like in this. So since my oil is heated, I'm going in with a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them wait for them to crackle. And then some cumin seeds if you like. Start crackling instantly. And then you take a full teaspoon or more if you like of urad dal. Urad dal gives a nice crunchy bite to your upma. And then you can add some hing, asafoetida. Gives a nice fragrance and also good for digestion. And then just lower your gas and let all these come together. Now as you can see, the urad dal has started turning red. That means you can add the other ingredients. Next up, I'm adding some chopped onion. And saute it. So now you can see my onions have reduced in size a little, but I'm going to still continue to saute them more because I don't want them to be raw. I don't want the onion to be raw. So I think after about like half a minute, I think that my onions are now done. So I'm going in with the rava, suji, semolina, whatever call it, about less than a cup. And I'm going to roast it gently until I get a nice fragrance in these onions. It's very important to roast your semolina well, but making sure that it doesn't turn even lightly brown. The color should not change. And while you're sauteing your rava, you grate a little bit of ginger. Ginger gives a very good flavor to your upma. I always add in ginger. And it's a game changer. It really enhances the levels and enhances the taste of your upma. Freshly grated tastes very nice. And immediately saute it. So the idea is that you saute all your ingredients in the upma, so it takes a nice flavor and it has robust flavors. Then goes in the green chilies. I've slit about 1.5 green chili. Slight kick, nice kick to your upma. Again, bring it together. You can of course add this in the tadka. That is when you add the oil, then onions and green chilies and curry leaves. I add it after I saute the upma a little, so everything gets roasted and the flavors come together quickly. Then you may also add a few curry leaves. Again, saute them nicely. So the fragrance is now that is coming is of the adrak, the ginger, the green chilies, the curry leaves. Then you add salt, about I think 1 teaspoon is enough. And then you add some sugar also. So the flavor, about 1/2 teaspoon, less than 1 teaspoon. And then saute again. So the flavor that should come is sweet, spicy, the hint of the ginger, a little bit of lemon, which we'll add now. Then I'm going in with some lime. Lime is as per your taste, about I think 1 teaspoon is enough. You can always add in more lime later. So now, as you can see, along with the other ingredients, my upma is nicely roasted. I can smell the nice fragrance. And now I'm adding water. So the quantity of water 1:3. So if you've taken 1 cup of rava or suji, take at least 3 cups, 2.5 to 3 cups of water, so that your upma comes together well. It's nice and soft. It's cooked well. Use the same cup to measure water. So the measurement of upma or rava is always upma to water, rava to water is always 1:3 for in an upma. And then let it cook well. Keep stirring. So now you can see there are a little bit of small bubbles coming in your upma. That means the upma has come out well. You can also see that the color of the upma hasn't changed. I mean the rava hasn't changed. So that means it's a good upma. I like to eat upma with very simple flavors of the ginger, the chili, salt, lime, the hing and sugar. So sweet, salty, spicy upma all at the same time. And keep stirring it occasionally so that no lumps are formed in your upma. Now you can see that this is bubbling away nicely. Again, stir it well and add about one little bit of coriander. You can of course use your hand. I'm just using the spoon because otherwise coriander sticks. And this is the final touch that I give to my upma. You can see that it's almost ready. So this is not a very fluid consistency, but it's not very thick. So this is the consistency you want. Exactly this. So anyway, when you are eating it, it's not like a stone kind of a consistency. It's nice, flowy, fluidy, like a porridge, but not a very runny porridge. So I think at this stage, I'm just going to turn off my gas. And now I'm going to sort of try the upma. Let's see how it is. It's good. All I need is a little bit of salt and lime. So I'm gonna top it up with a little bit of lime and some salt. Stir it again, mix it well. And yeah, steaming hot. So steaming hot upma is ready. Have it hot, right from the pan to your plate. If you like it a little sweet, you can of course increase the quantity of sugar. You like it spicy, add more chilies. You like a vegetable upma, you can add a little more of vegetables of your choice. But make sure you try this recipe. I'm certain you will like it. And make sure you play with the three flavors, that is sugar, ginger, and the chilies, and one more, I think lime. It will really enhance the flavor. So breakfast is all ready. I always need a cookie.